Ghamidi Center of Islamic Learning has produced a comprehensive course, Belief in the Prophets, with an objective of enlightening the participants about prophethood and its paramount role in Islam. Immerse yourself in the exploration of fundamental concepts, from understanding the essence of prophethood to delving into the need for a prophet and deciphering the intricate nature of prophets. Our course goes beyond the theoretical realm by guiding you through the process of identifying a prophet, peace be upon him, in 2 illuminating parts, shedding light on the innocence of prophets, and prompting introspection on the diligence in worshiping God, as exemplified by the revered prophets. As you progress through this enlightening journey, we invite you to contemplate the superiority of the prophets, recognize the profound importance of obeying the prophets, and grasp the profound concept of intercession of the prophets. The course culminates in a reflective discourse on the finality of prophethood, providing you with a holistic understanding of the prophetic tradition in Islam. Elevate your knowledge, enrich your spirituality, and join us today in deepening your connection with the divine through the wisdom and guidance of the prophets. Enroll now, and let the transformative exploration begin.